Hi everyone, so this is part 2 of lesson 9. I'm sorry I couldn't finish the entire lesson in one video. I really tried, but here we are. So in bubble 6, we had just finished adding two pieces of text to our screen. Make sure you've already done that. If you need to go to that, go back to part 1. But let's go ahead and finish the last bubble that I want you to do for lesson 9. If you look at our notebook, in bubble 7, I would like you to do activity A, text color. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. Text color, activity A. Okay, text color. You can change the color of your text using the fill block. Read the code to see how it works. Add a new block to make the word sky a different color. Add more text with even more colors. All right, so let's run the program now. We see 3 different phrases, rainbows in the sky, and in the sky is orange, rainbows is red. We want to change the color of the word sky. So take a look at your code. Go ahead and try it out. What do you need to add? What do we need to add here? Yeah, so hopefully you said a fill color, right? We're going to add this fill block. And notice that the color has to come first and then the phrase. So let's go to drawing, fill color, grab that and put it right in between line 8 and 9 right here. And right now it's yellow, but I want you to change the color of that. You can also Google HTML color names. I know we're not working in HTML language, but the names still work for JavaScript. So if you Google HTML color names and you click on this link that says HTML color names W3 schools, that will show you this beautiful chart of a bunch of different colors. And then you can just copy the name of the color that you want to use, right? So for this first one, I do kind of like the yellow, but I'm going to go ahead and find a different color. Oh, maybe a floral white. Will floral white work? That might be too bright. Honeydew? Honeydew is a nice color. Okay, I'm going to try honeydew. You can always change it. All right, I'm going to try honeydew. So instead of yellow, I'm going to try honeydew. It's not deleting. Hold on. Honeydew. It looks kind of white. I don't like it. Light cyan. Is that going to blend in too much with the sky? No, that should work. I'm going to try light cyan. Oh, or lemon chiffon. There are too many colors to choose from. So I'm going to go with light yellow. There we go. Light yellow. Light yellow. Light yellow. Sure. I kind of don't like it. I'm not satisfied with it. I'm going to go with the green. Or no, here we go. Dark slate gray. Sure, let's do that. Dark slate gray. You can choose any color you want. I'm sorry, I didn't like any of these. Dark slate gray. Sure, there we go. Rainbows in the sky. There we go. And your next task is to add another text block with a different color. So go ahead and find that fill color. We'll put it right at the end. Pick a new color. And this time I'm going to go with some kind of green. Sea green? Sure, I'll try it. We'll see how it goes. Sea green. You can choose a different color. Once you choose your color, go ahead and grab that text block. Text, STRXY, text block. And go ahead and come up with a phrase to put there. Rainbows in the sky. I'm going to say summer. And then I want the word to show up right around here. So I need to look at the coordinates. So 225, 230-ish. 225 for the X and 230 for the Y. Ooh, too far over. Okay, bring it back to 200 maybe. Let's see. Yes, there we go. I might make it a brighter green though. Spring green. There we go. Spring green. Sure, it's fine. It's fine. I don't really like all these colors, but they're clashing, but that's okay. The whole point is that you learn how to use the fill block to change the color of your text. Okay, so hopefully you've added another phrase. It doesn't have to be where I put it. Maybe you put it down here in the bottom left corner or on the rainbow or in the cloud. It doesn't matter. as long as you practiced changing the color of the text and adding any text block. All right, but that's it for lesson 9. If you have any questions, you can always message me on Schoology or ask me in class. All right, and with that, I will see you all next time. Bye, everyone.